Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of NZDUSD in front of us right now, and if you just look at the chart here, then you'll get the idea of what I'm about to say, because there may be many ups and downs here on the chart, but after drawing these lines, you are getting the picture that yes, this trend line is acting as a support for the market, and this line is also a very crucial support for the market. So let's try to understand what is going on the chart of NZD/USD so that you get the complete picture and complete understanding of the NZD/USD currency pair. So let's find out. So if we look at the overall chart here, okay, then one thing is very clear to us, that there is no proper trend here, because see, knowing the overall trend of the market is very crucial. But here we can easily see that there is no proper trend here, rather market is sideways. And if I zoom in, okay, and if I zoom in and if I just ask you to focus on this particular portion of the chart, then we can see that yes, overall the market may be sideways, but right now NZD USD is in uptrend. Okay, right now NZD USD is in uptrend, and as we all know, following the trend is the basic rule of the market. Following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And right now this market is in uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Clear? The second important point that I have already spoken in my all videos, hundreds of videos, is the area of value. Yes, finding the area of value is the key factor in any market. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. The area of value or the best buying opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support, whereas the best shorting opportunity in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And this market is an uptrend right now, therefore our area of value will always be near the support. And here you can clearly see that I have marked two levels here. This is your first support and this is your second support. Okay, therefore we will only looking for buying opportunities at this level and at this level. These two are the levels for us. And if we go to the weekly chart here, see, in the weekly chart also we are not getting any prominent support resistance levels. Just we are seeing that on the weekly chart also market is forming constant dojis here. You can see that market is constantly forming dojis here, hammers here. Okay, spinning top and all. The picture is very messy. So the weekly chart is not relevant. Okay, relevant in the case of NZD/USD. We are just seeing that yes, there's a 50-50 condition going on in the chart of NZD/USD. So what should be a strategy? The strategy is simple, because we have a sideways market, overall sideways market, and in sideways market we can take positions on both the side. So considering the present condition or position of the price here, I'll say that right now market is just standing at a very good position here. Okay, right now market is standing at a very good position here. So just wait for one candle and just see. Because see, today is Monday morning, market is just open. You do not know where the market will go during the New York session or London session. Market may move anywhere. So wait for a couple of hours. Right now market is in very good position. Right now market is just standing at the support here. So in case you see market respecting the support for again 1 or 2 candles after waiting for 4 hours or 6 hours, if you see market still respecting here, respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can go for a buy. Easily you can go for a buy. Already I'll say that market is in very good position, but today is Monday morning. Okay, market is not moving much. That's why I'm telling you that wait for some time. Otherwise it's definitely buy. Okay, on the other hand, if market crosses this level, or if market fails to hold the level, hold the level and comes down, then also you do not short the market, because see right now this market is an uptrend here. So shorting the market will not be a good option, will not be a good thing to do. So in that case, you'll have to wait for the market to come down to this particular level here. This is the most important support for the market here. 0.6920. This is the most important support for the NZD USD chart. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that this level has been acting as a strong support for the market quite some time. In fact, when there was a sharp fall in the NZD/USD chart, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, this level is still a valid support for the market, and we can hope that in case there is a sharp selling in the market, then this level will be able to provide support to the market. Therefore, in case market fails to hold the present trend line and crosses the trend line, then this level should provide support, and once market bounces from this support level, you can go for buy. So this is it. Okay. And on the other hand, wait for some time, wait for 1 or 2 candles. If you see market respecting this trend line good enough, go for buy, simply go for buy. So this is your first trading opportunity, and this is your second trading opportunity. Just keep in mind that this market is uptrend, so if market fails to hold the support, also do not short the market. You may get trapped. You may get trapped. Okay, so do not short the market. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, see 55% retail traders have taken short position and 44% retail traders have taken long position. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. It means that retail traders are also very much confused. They are also not sure. They are also in dilemma whether market will be going up or going down. That's why we are getting a 55-45 ratio. Okay, so they are also not sure. So I'll say that, but today is Monday, so wait for some time, and if market bounces, then only go for buy order. Clear? And again, I like to tell you that I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program where I'll be sharing my analysis for $15 per month only. I'll be sharing minimum 3 analysis per week. If you want to see what is the analysis and what will the analysis look like, then you just go to my website and just click on this button. A PDF will start downloading, and you'll get the idea. Okay, how the analysis will look like. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.